out picking up some manure, believe it or not, for a guy with my dump trailer here. Out in the middle of nowhere, and got this little horse farm. Everybody's got their own pen. Oh, she's coming to feed them. That's why they're so excited. They saw you coming a mile away. How's it going?
Doing good. How about
Yeah.
you?
I just love filming animals, if you don't mind.
That's okay.
Okay.
You help yourself.
Look at this beautiful guy.
This is Kathy.
Kathy, you ready for some food? A little bit of healthy grain?
They get very excited about food. These guys want to do everybody inside, and they're last to come. So,
Oh, I see. How many horses you got?
in total, probably somewhere around 30.
Wow.
Here
Okay,
and
that's a
there.
handful.
Yeah. Let me grab
He's eating some pre-made, looks like alfalfa kind of grindings or something. I'll have to ask her about that. See him whip that bucket? He was so excited. You're excited with the food. He's falling out of his mouth. You're next. What about this guy? You don't. Oh, okay. I thought you were getting some dietary restrictions there, buddy. Oh, he's mad. She's mad. She's giving me the backside because she's like, where's mine? You're going inside. You want to go inside? Huh? Feeding time on the farm. I can't pet you. Last time I petted a horse, if you watch our the horse of the video with the white horse, I had such an allergic reaction. My eyes almost swelled shut, so I can't do that anymore. Some horses I'm not bad with, but I'm not willing to take the chance. This is life on the farm. How you doing?
Here's Xander, I'm Bill.
Hey Bill, how you doing? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just filming these guys.
My little chihuahua gets all angry with these. I keep telling him, look at the big deer. He don't know any better. He don't know any better.
Oh, look at that guy. Look at that mug.
They got quite a little spread here.
Yeah.
They used to own all this back here, and they sold off part of it.
Well, you know
They used to own all this.
Let me just finish this video up real quick.
Good.
Yeah. All right, guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Say goodbye.